Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to create a word guessing game in Python. It's pretty simple, let's get started. Let's define the constants first. Word equals, for example, YouTube. Later we will make the words randomly generated. Allowed errors equals 8, for example. Guesses equals an empty array. And done equals false. Then create a loop while not done, then print hidden word with column, and next loop for every letter in word. Then if letter, we don't pay attention to the case of letters. If letter in guesses here in this array, then print letter and then add white space. I have a mistake. As I said, I wrote it down with word every deleted, then else. If the letter isn't in guesses, then print underscore with the white space. And to end the while loop, set done to true. Let's check, run the program, and we have hidden word with the underscore. Let's add guesses, for example, A, then B, and Y. We run the program, and we have two letters in our word YouTube, Y and B. The letter A isn't displayed because it is missing from the word YouTube. Now let's add code so that the user can enter the letters that will end up in the guesses array. Delete these letters and inside while loop write guess, input errors left, then write allowed errors, use f-string for text with variable, then enter a letter and mark the place of input. Line break here and line break here. Then guess array guesses dot append input guess convertible to lowercase. Next, if guess not in word, then allowed errors is -1. Then if allowed errors equals 0, then break the loop. Let's run the app. We have a column, fix it, we run, enter a letter, for example, A, for example, A, process finished, go ahead. I want to add a white space after the arrow, and for letter in word, if letter not in guesses, then done equals false. Let's run again. Add any letter, A for example, errors left 7 instead of 8. Let's add another letter, Y, enter, and we have this letter in the hidden word. Let's make 7 more errors. Process finished. Let's add a message before leaving the game in case of a win or loss. If done, then print f-string, you're a winner. You guessed the word. Else, print another text. Game over. The hidden word is word. Let's check, run the program. Errors left 0 and game over. The hidden word is YouTube. That's okay. And another case, Y-O-U-T-B-E. You're a winner. The game works well. Now let's add a random word generator as I promised. To do this, create a new file, word list.txt with words. You can add any words and any number of words, after then return to main.py, input random function, and write with open word list.txt for reading as word list words equals word list dot read lines, and word equals random choice of words. When using the readLines method, we have an extra character at the end of the word, a line break. To remove it, add -1. Let's check, run the game, enter letter A, E, O. We have no more attempts to guess. The word was quartz. Let's start the game again, and this time we will try to guess the word to check the second outcome of the game. A, it's good. I'll try to find this word in the word list. Find A, the second letter. I think it's jazz. Z, no. Another word, it can be wave. V and E. You're a winner, you guessed the word wave. That's good. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, have a good coding. See you next time.